Cooking on low heat, unlocking flavors gently. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a very common phrase in English, especially if you love cooking or watching cooking shows: cooking on low heat. We'll explore what it means, how it's used in cooking, and why it's such an important technique to understand, not just in the kitchen but in learning the nuances of the English language. When we talk about cooking on low heat, we're referring to the process of cooking food gently and slowly by setting the stove or cooker to its lowest temperature setting. This method is used to cook dishes thoroughly without burning or overcooking them. It's especially useful for dishes that need to be tender and full of flavor, like soups, stews, or sauces. Cooking on low heat is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it allows the ingredients to release their flavors gradually, leading to a more complex and balanced taste. Secondly, it prevents delicate foods from burning or sticking to the pot. Lastly, slow cooking methods often require less attention than high-heat cooking, making it easier to manage multiple dishes or tasks in the kitchen. Interestingly, cooking on low heat can also be used metaphorically in everyday English. It might describe a situation where something is done slowly and with care to ensure the best outcome. For example, we're cooking this project on low heat to make sure every detail is perfect. So, next time you hear someone talking about cooking on low heat, whether in a recipe or as a metaphor for taking things slowly, you'll know exactly what they mean. Remember, good things come to those who wait, and that's certainly true in cooking and in learning. We hope this video has been informative and has added a flavorful touch to your English learning journey. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.